Hello YouTube. This is a quick video to show how to repair the keys on an XKey keyboard. Specifically in my case the XKey Air 37, but this should be applicable for all of the keyboards in that family. Some of the black keys on mine popped off because I handled it badly, and though I was able to pop them back on, the velocity sensitivity did not work very well afterwards, and I had to get in touch with the company to get instructions on how to repair it properly. So this video will show how to do that because I noticed there were no videos that I could find on YouTube. So here's how to repair it. So the first thing I want to show is what normally working keys look like, or how they function. So as you can see here, when I press this down, the whole key goes down the full length, but here's a broken one, and if you'll notice, this one is more like a lever. The far end, where opposite end of my finger on that third key, doesn't really go down, only the part where my finger is, whereas the other well-working keys, the whole entire thing goes down. So I'm going to show how to repair that key and a few others that are also not functioning correctly. So first I'm zooming in to, and let me focus this as well so you guys can see what's going on. So the first step is to put both hands on the two ends of the key, really grab it, pinch it, and just pull firmly but not ridiculously, and it'll just come right out. And as you can see there, the little butterfly mechanism did hang on for a second, but I just kind of wiggled it off. And there's this little metal swivel thing. I have no idea what that's called, but that needs to be kind of released out like I'm doing here. And you'll notice it kind of is in a C configuration. So the other thing I had to do here is reseat the butterfly mechanism. One edge of it has actually come out. You'll kind of see. So yeah, I'm kind of reseating it, and then I'm pushing it back into its little sockets. And then same for the other one as well. Okay, so now with those two butterfly mechanisms both reseated, I can proceed with the next step of getting the key itself reattached. So notice where my index finger is, and there's another edge on the other side of this button or this key. So this little edge of the little C-shaped metal thing needs to fit up into a little socket. I know it's kind of hard to see on the video, but if you open it up, now on the left hand side you can see it more easily. It just went straight in. Don't worry, I'm going to do this on one or two more keys so you'll get a chance to see what's going on. But anyway, that's basically what you have to do, and then after that you pop in the top and then the bottom. And now when I press this key down, notice the whole entire key goes down now, not like a lever anymore. I'm pressing it down on one end, but the other end, the opposite end, is going down as well. And that's how you know that the key is working, the key mechanism is working properly. Now here's another one that doesn't work well. So again, I was pressing that one edge down, and that was the only edge that was going down rather than the whole entire key. So same thing again, two hands, pry off the key, then pull out the little metal C mechanism, and then again I have to reseat the butterfly mechanism. Now on this one, just pushing it down isn't getting it. Yeah, so I'm trying to show you here. There are two tiny little, I don't even know what to call them, overhang parts of that butterfly mechanism that need to kind of go inside of the black surrounding part to keep them seated. So I'm using an X-Acto blade just to have something sharp and small to kind of pinch. Unfortunately, my hand's in the way, so you can't really see how I'm doing it. But again, if you take the keys off yourself, you'll see how this goes. It's pretty obvious. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to reseat the butterfly mechanism. And okay, so I've got that in, and the other butterfly mechanism on the right is already reseated, so that was not a problem. And once those are both reseated, then again, the little overhang parts of the metal swivel part can go into the little groove. So there's the right hand side one done, and now I'm getting the left. Well, okay, and then that's both on, both sides are on. And then again, the top push down firmly, and then the right side, and now the whole thing goes down from either side. And this key's okay, as you can see. So that's about it. So this has been a short video to show how to repair the keys on an XKey keyboard if they pop off. The white keys should be about the same as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.